Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I'm going to show you the easiest way to get that cinematic look in DaVinci Resolve. So first you can just drag your clips into the media pool and drop down to the timeline. So drag it down like this. And now once everything is ready, you can switch over to the color page. So this is where the magic happens to create that film cinematic. So don't worry, we're keeping it easy. You can just right click and add node. Okay, here click on add node and choose to add serial node. Okay, so you can just create another one. So you have 3 nodes in here like this. Node 1 is for the exposure and contrast, and the second one for the film look, and the third one for the final polish. So this will keep everything clean and organized. So let's click on a first node in here. So in the primaries panel, you can increase lift slightly for darker shadow. Okay, like this. And after that, push gamma for balance midtones. After that, adjust the gain for the highlight control. You can try to get your image look natural, not cinematic yet, so just correct it. And now let's move on to the second node in here. You can open the color wheels or curve and do 2 things. So first you can just push on the lift toward teal. And then push the gain slightly toward a warm orange to get instant cinematic feel. Okay, and now you can just go to curve and custom and add a soft as curve. So just adjust it like this. I think I'm going to just go with this. And now for the film grain, if you have the studio version, you can just go to effects and add the film grain. And now let's move on to the node 3. In the last node, you can add a thinny effect, but only slightly. Then you can adjust the sharpness into around 0.20 until 0.30 and add the saturations just a tiny bit. And your footage should now look clean, cinematic, and also professional. So when you're happy with the result, you can just export it. So that's it, the simple way to get the film look in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.